All right, we're live once again. Right now, it is currently 9:20 a.m. New York time. Market opens in about 10 minutes, give or take. Today is August 19, Tuesday. Yeah. So, recap yesterday, I left on a trade that was open. Recapping on yesterday as a whole, yesterday I took a bad trade. That was a bad trade. I ended up losing 200, I think $200. Yeah, 213 yesterday. Um So honestly, I think I was a little pressed over the fact that I missed an entry, and I actually went. I think TGR took the same entry yesterday that I missed. So once we saw, so it was right here around here. We took out we took out this London high. Was it here? Hold up, what was it? Yeah, we took out this London high up here, and then we pushed down towards London low. I noticed the entry later on, and I think I got pressed about it. And also, there was another entry here from the low end to the top back up here again. Once again, I also missed that one, I think. And I think I was just honestly, I was just kind of pressed that I missed those entries, and so I kind of forced a setup in a way. I could have lost $500. I ended up losing 200, but I did have the opportunity to leave at like a $50 gain profit, and I chose not to take it because I was hoping that it would push lower. So also my greed got to it. So yeah, so that yesterday hurt a little bit more than I think it should have, but well, hopefully today we can make that money. Yeah, I don't want to keep on paying tuition to learn these lessons. So I'm gonna try to stick to what you gotta do, not get greedy, follow a proper setup, don't force anything, and if I miss a setup, then it is what it is. It's at the end of the day, it's about preserving capital, not making capital in a sense of trying to force things. But yeah, that's that for that. Hopefully we can get back up. I mean, like I said, we only lost $200. It is still $200, but it hurts one way or the other. Um, but yeah, so let's see. Um, so yeah, once again, I'm starting with today. We're starting off with 49,808. I think it's okay, but hopefully we can see an entry today, and let's see how that goes. All right, so let's clear this out. Clear MES as well. All right. So in MNQ, there is obviously this FEG down here. Don't know if we want to tap into it. We did sweep up this high. We might want to push back into it, but I'm not gonna look into that as of right now. What I think I am looking at for today might be is pushing into this daily right here, possibly because there was a daily here, but we disrespected it. We disrespected it with this candle, and it seems that we respected it with this candle. So maybe we might be aiming towards this level and maybe even these lows right here. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Let's look at the daily. I mean, let's look at MES as well. Yeah, right now in MES we are currently in this daily FEG right here. But we might want to push lower possibly. Maybe take out these lows as well. Um, but yeah, looking into the 4 hour once again, because I think all in all we're bearish. We have this FEG right here. We respect it and push down on, and then once again another 4 hour right here, which I think we created. Yes, I think we created that yesterday, and which once again we're respecting as well. So I think what we might want to look into is to see push this level right here, give or take. Um, I think that might be a possibility today, but I just want to see how that goes. 1 hour still we bearish. Yeah, we up, down. We didn't take out these lows yet, but I think we're setting up to do that. Um, MES seems to be similar as well. We have an FEG right here and an FEG right here. And yeah, push lower maybe. Looking into the 15 minutes. We have 9:30 open. We have Asian open 1800 and London open at 3. Okay, so looking at this, we have London high up here. We have London low right here, right now. Asian low down here. And then we have what seems to be Asian high up here. Oh wait, that is I can't laugh. I forgot. But yeah, we have Asian high up here. So hold on, let's look at okay, so looking at MES real quick. Let's see what this looks like right now. 9:30 open. 3 o'clock London, and then 1800 Asian. Very similar as well. We have Asian high up here. London high up here. London low down here. And then, I mean, you know, that's Asian low down there and then London low down here. Would be Asian low, yeah. Okay, so what am I looking? So I'm looking to go down more, ideally. Um, but I don't want to get caught up too much on the other stuff as well. I don't want to get caught up too much on what I did yesterday because yesterday I was too caught up on like making a large dip to the downside that I kind of ignored the other setups. So I don't want to do that. So maybe me might want to come back here, take out this low and come back down. Take out this high and come back down to the low. Maybe that's something we might look into it. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I think, like I said, ideally I want to see. Well, like I said, we're bearish. I think for today, so I want to see us take up highs, take out maybe this high, and maybe this high. Probably not though, but I want to see us take out this high and then push to the downside. And I mean, if we do want to displace at a lower, like way lower, I'd say we would like break past this low. But I don't know. This seems like a large move. Could it do it? Yes, but I think it wants to do it eventually, but I'm not sure if it's doing it right now. But there is built up liquidity sitting right here right now. So that's a possibility. Let's see if there's any SMTs. No, I don't think I really see any SMTs right now. What is a 15-minute SMT right here? MNQ took out this low. Um, yeah, MNQ took out this low. MES didn't. The same one though. Hold up. This is 9, no, this is 6:45. 45, yeah. So I think what I want to see, what I want to see us do. You know what I think I want to see us do? MES wants to take out this high and push back down. MNQ is gonna fail to do that, but it's gonna take out this internal low. I mean, this internal high, I think. So MES just spiked up here, and MNQ took out all, like, when dip into all these FEGs up here. That's definitely manipulation right there. Then you want to sweep up these lows right here, maybe. Sweep up the lows, push up, take out these highs, maybe the internal highs, and then maybe push lower. We're definitely aiming for these lows right now. One thing I might also look into is that if it takes out these lows, reversal, push above this high, and wants to see us push even higher, we aim for. I want to see us ideally close below this low, but I want to see us retrace as well. Because honestly, we might want to be doing this today. We might want to be aiming towards this low today. Just looking at it, we got this low, we came down, I played these FEGs, and yeah. I could take an entry right now, but what I want to see is I want to see us pull back into these FEGs, ideally. That'd be possible. Pull back in here. You know what? I'm gonna sell 6 contracts. Should I just do market? I think we definitely want to come down to this level, but I don't know what I should wait for. I don't know if I should wait for it to pull back or if I should take a exit or just have us push back down. But I think it wants to push definitely lower. But I don't know if I should wait for the pullback or 23,694. is it? 23,682. We're above this FEG, maybe. I'll take 6 trades at this level. Gotta wait for this point right here. What are you gonna do? Because if he wants to run down all the way down here, but how far up is he gonna go up? I don't know. You know what? Let me remain concise. B6945. I think it would want to go up here more, rather go up here than just up here. We want to dip into this level as well. We're definitely aiming for this lower level. We have gotta. It might be here though, or here, or here. Dipping into these FEGs. I'm going to aim. So I'm gonna aim for the lower one. 23,587.75. 5, 7. I think for precautionary measures, I'll put it up here for now. Above this high. So I'm putting it above this high because, like I said, we're all the way down here already right now, right? I doubt we're gonna want to stop at that point. But never really know at the same time. So we formed this FVG up here. Is we're tapping into. Yeah, what I think we want to do, I think is going to respect the 5 minutes and then come back down. Yeah, I think a better entrance would have been here. Same point, but would have been better all in all. Yeah, I think I was low-key getting like FOMO because sometimes it happens. I don't know when I should be going in sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, nah, I might miss the movement, but then again, that's kind of what matters or doesn't matter for that matter. That it moves as it wants, and I gotta react to the movement, not determine it. Because honestly, I would have gone in at this point right here. This would have been a better entry, better RR, and great. It would have been a great movement down. I do still think we're still bearish and we still want to go towards these levels. We we broke past this level. We came back up here. We're respecting this FEG. I think ideally what we want to do is take out these slows. We want to sweep up the slows right here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do what I didn't do yesterday. I took $22 profit, but that wasn't a good entry. That wasn't a good entry. And so I'm not gonna risk it one more time just because I feel like it. So what I'm looking for right now, we just took out these lows right here. So I think what I want to see us do is come down here, maybe take out this low, create this FEG, and enter at this point right here. Stop loss right there, and we aim for this lower level right here. $23,685.5. We could do 5 contracts. Well, ideally, I want to see us break past this point. We did take it though, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put a sell order here. We failed to make a higher high. So it's still disrespect this level, but we have a better RR with the proper target as well. I think we reacted to this low that was previously created here. So I want to see us push up here, respect this FEG, come back down. Once again, the overall bias is bearish for today. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. That, you might just want to push down, and I might have missed my entry. I might have done it wrong, but I rather miss this today than feel the same way that yesterday when I was regretting and everything. So if I miss it, it is what it is. I'm liking this setup as a whole. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's simple. I'm not gonna move my stuff around just because I feel a certain way, so on and so forth. So it might just push all the way down. It might just go ahead and do that, but it is what it is. Next time I gotta stick to what I understand and to what I know, because a good entry might would have been something like this. At 2 RR, it did come up all the way up here and just push to at least this lower level, which is definitely gonna hit, but that would have been solid. But I wasn't patient and I didn't look for a proper entry, and so that's 100% my fault there. Once again, it is what it is. But right now I'm being patient. So right now what I'm waiting for is for it to go up here, tap into these both of these FEGs, and I'm putting my stop loss above this high right here. And if it respects it, respect it, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. Once again, I also think it wants to head down to this lower level right here. Well, technically there's a low here, these right here, but I think this would be low resist liquidity. It just wants to sweep it all at once. Let's see how this goes. Nah, the R is not good enough. What I think we might want to see is possibly this 5-minute FPG get created. Might push into that. Now, likelihood though, I think is that if it is gonna go into the 5-minute, I think it's probably gonna want to go up tier, right? I think that makes sense. It's possible that it might want to go. Yeah, there it is. It went top of the FPG. Yeah, so we tap into the FPG. I think we have a pretty good setup right now. I think we're still bearish. So TP. So TP is gonna be this lower low right here. 23,586.75. 6.75. 23,586.75. And then we shouldn't go above this level right here, which would be, well, let's go up a little bit. Hold on, I went in at 23.6. No, I went at 23.685. Boom. That's good. So didn't go above 23.734. Bam. That's what I'm looking for. For bearish, we have a good entry. Only thing I might be iffy about is where we wanna take our profit at. Because if you want to take a profit here, then it's be a little iffy. But I feel like they want to take out all of this liquidity in one go. If anything, if where I see fit, I might take out early, but I would hope not. I think it wants to take out all of this in one go. I think right now what we might see is it push back in here to this 5 minute and maybe even take out this internal, yeah, and also take out this internal high. But yeah, MES doing right now. Yeah, so you see, on open we took out London High in MES, but we did it in MEQ. So right now we're probably doing is creating this 15-minute FEG here. We're probably gonna tap into it alongside this 5 minutes, maybe even once again these 1 minutes. I don't think it wants to go above this high though. Or we're gonna create this FEG, but we're gonna push down first and then come up to it. There we go. What I think we want to see is either push into this 15-minute FEG, respect it and come back down, or you just have a strong bearish momentum and a bearish pattern going down towards at least this level, which then that would be used as a reversal to the FEG. But I know we at the very least want to tap into this level right here. But I would want to see us push through all of them to go to the lowest point, or at the very least, like maybe this one or this one right here. Um, So right now it seems like we're taking out this high we just made here. Yeah, once again we are filling in this 15-minute FEG right here. Ideally, I don't want to see us go above this high up here, but thinking about it, I don't know. I might take it out, honestly. Hopefully it doesn't, but it might. It looks like it is. It looks like it wants to, but hey, anything's valid. I'm gonna jack this up to 500, just leave a little space in case that it does want to. I'm willing to lose up to 500 bucks, but I would hope that it doesn't wanna. If it does want to take it out, it takes it out and it comes pushes right back down. But if it does want to keep on pushing higher, I'm not willing to lose any. But for one, we did respect the 5 minute that was there previously and the 15 minutes. So honestly, hopefully that's enough to want to push it right back down. Huh. I want to see us respect the FEG and push back down. Hopefully. But think about it, we did enter this FEG over here, which is maybe why we push back up. Now think about it. And we pushed into this 1 hour FEG, which I think was enough to push back up. But yeah, I did call out this FEG. I should have been wary about, honestly. They did respect it once again, and they used that to go up to this 15-minute FEG. But hopefully, it wants to respect this 15-minute and come crashing back down. Hopefully, and towards this lower level right here. But let's see how this goes. Thinking maybe we want to take out this internal high and then come once again back down. Hopefully. Huh. Well, Yeah, we're taking out that internal low right now. This one right here. We might want to take out this high up here as well. I mean, it's internal high, man, here, and then might want to take that one out as well, but hopefully not. And if we do, then hopefully we come back down because I didn't really consider this FEG. But yeah, now that I think about it, yeah, that might have been a smart move. A good entry, I guess, once again, would have been right here. FEG. Actually, not even. Our R on that wouldn't have been that good, honestly. I mean, the entry would have been fine, I guess, but RR would have been a little iffy. I think this is a swing. This is a important swing high up here. So if it closes above this high, then we might want to see a reversal. Right now, it's already showing movement like as a reversal, but I don't know. I should have kept that in mind though. Next time I gotta be a little more wary about that. But hopefully we wanna respect the FEG and just push back down. Ugh. MES too. MES took out the London high after taking out these lows. But looking at this, yeah, there is an FEG right here, right? But we're bearish in the long run. We did go up this way, but there's liquidity sitting at these levels. I don't see why we wouldn't want to tap into those. Granted, I don't know if that's gonna happen right now or not, but there is this 15-minute right here, which we're respecting. But I don't know if it wants to go up here, maybe respect this FEG, maybe even take out this high. At which point it's cooked, basically. I think what I want to see is us break past this low, so then maybe we can see it. Maybe we want to go back down. But honestly, I think I did well in getting out of the trade the first time around, because even though I could have made more. I guess is what I don't want to do. I don't want to get greedy, and so I got out. I did make whatever $20 profit, give or take, right? I think I got into a better setup previously, but I didn't see the FEG, the 1 hour FEG, which I think messed me up. Well, I did see it, but I ignored it, which is kind of once again my fault. Once again, hopefully I can improve on that all in all. But yeah, let's see how this goes right now. I'm trying to think. Does it want to come down here today or not? There seems to might like it might be a change in the state, maybe, possibly. Looks like it broke below it, but oh no. I'm trying to think if I should hold this position or not. If it comes down to the to my entry level, I might just go out and then come back in at a different position, but I don't know if I should. Maybe this is a good setup. But maybe it is in the same time. 5 minutes getting respected, but it did come back down here. But the 15 minutes also getting respected, and I think it might want to come back down to this level again, possibly. We did different. We did come below this level right here. We're pushing down towards this level. Because this is the important swing high. It didn't get taken out, but it is starting to look like it might want to go back up. But then there is also a change in the state right here towards this level, and liquidity sitting at this bottom level. Hard to tell, honestly. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit my position whenever it hits around this level right here, so I don't take any L's, and then I'll see what other entries I could take, if any. That's for that matter. think might want to take out this internal low and maybe come back down again. I'm honestly not sure what it's doing or wants to do. Because it is respecting the 5 minute and the 15 minute, and all in all, it is bearish. But it did tap into this FEG, so now I'm not sure what it wants to head out to. MES seems to have tap into this level and then came up to these highs. Yeah, I think once it hits around my level right here, I'm just gonna call it. Yeah. I didn't really make anything, but I think we want to reverse. It looks like we want to reverse, honestly. So I'd rather take some L. I'd rather take a little L or whatever. We got 26 bucks today, technically as a profit, but yeah, honestly, the setup as today was a little weird. I didn't see this FEG, and the entry I took afterwards was no good. So, and I don't want to be greedy either. I learned my lesson yesterday. I'm not trying to do it all over again. Um. So yeah, right now it is one. I mean, it's already one. It's already 10:24. Honestly, I don't think it's any point in taking any trades at this point. Honestly, um, I don't think anything's gonna set up anytime soon. And honestly, the setups we're in here weren't even that good. Honestly, market open. Let's see what we did in MES. We opened. We shot down. We took out this low. We came up here, took out this high, but there really was no entry here. We did this. We had like no FEGs to retrace into really. We took out this high, came down here. I guess maybe you could argue, not even because we didn't even hit our TP up here either. So yes, I ended up on a loss yesterday. Um, made 26 bucks back, but it was like 200 bucks down. But yeah, I'd rather not take any more trades right now. I think I'm good as I am. I don't want to force it. I think I did force it a little bit, but luckily, God gave me a chance to dip and not take any L's. So I'll leave it as it is. Once again, we could push back down to the downside, but right now I don't see any entries. So maybe I'll trade maybe later if I see something pop up. But as of right now, I don't see anything. So yeah, I'm gonna call it quits for today and tomorrow Wednesday. So the new trade day tomorrow. So we'll see what happens then. But yeah, deuces.